Los Angeles is facing a wildfire crisis. The Palisades Fire and the Eaton Fire hit Los Angeles on January 7th, 2025, and they've been burning out of control ever since. As of today, the fires have claimed 24 lives, and 16 people are still missing. Over 5,000 homes are gone in the Palisades area alone, and Eaton's fire has destroyed or damaged 7,000 more, and it's only getting worse. Those fierce Santa Ana winds, blowing up to 60 miles per hour, are turning these fires into monsters. More than 14,000 firefighters are risking it all to contain these flames, but with 105,000 people evacuated, the battle is far from over. Whatever the cause, one thing's clear: lives are at stake.